So the wet trade process, or say when you start on site, it's first to clear the site. There may be trees in the way of your house, rocks, whatever there may be, is to make the site workable and to have access to the areas where we're going to do the foundations, which is the next step. Foundations, according to me, probably the most important part of the design. Then you go up to brickwork or steel. There could be, if your design consists of steel structure, the steel will go up with your brickwork. If it's a multi-story building, you'll have slabs, whatever the design may be. Then the next story will be brickwork up to your roof. Your roof will go on. When your roof goes on, simultaneously the windows will go in, and the aim is to get the building watertight as quickly as possible, and then you can go over to the next stages.